Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to explain you how to order pizza in Python, and before that I have already written a blog post on how to order pizza in Python, and the blog post is in the description box below, so that's what you're seeing, so check it. So the source code is here, so I'm just going to copy the source code and paste it in my IDE, and I will explain you later how does it work. So I have pasted it. So over here I have given print welcome to Python pizza deliveries. So when I print, you could see that it will print welcome to Python pizza delivery. So next what I did is I asked the user, so I entered the size and asked the user to enter the pizza size. It can be either be small, medium or large. And then I asked the user to enter if you need pepperonis or not. If yes, then they need to enter Y or no. And then finally I asked the user to enter if they need any extra cheese, or if yes, they can enter Y, or no. If no, they can enter N. So then what I did is I added the bill is equal to 0. Simultaneously, if we select any one of these, if I need the small size, it will be added up to the bill. For example, 15 will be added up. Okay. So what I did is I added the if size is equal to small, then the bill will be plus or is equal to 15. So if they order size S, a small pizza, then 15 will be added up to the bill. Then if they order a medium pizza, then 20 will be added up to the bill. Then I also entered for the large. So for the large one, I have entered the bill as 25. So whatever you do, it will be added up to the bill. So for example, let me run this program. So I'm just entering yes, and then it is moving to the add pepperonis. So if we need pepperonis, we can enter Y or no. And also I have entered a if statement for adding pepperonis. So if yes, then the bill will be added up as plus 2. So if we order small pizza, then small pizza plus adding pepperonis will be 2 rupees, which will be 17 rupees. And if else, then it will be 3 rupees. Okay. So I'm just entering. So if else means, so for only the small pizza, we are adding the bill as 2 rupees. If it is a large pizza and medium, we are adding 3 rupees as the bill if they need pepperonis. Okay. So we will just enter yes. And finally it asks for the extra cheese. So if they need extra cheese, we are just entering Y. That is, the bill will be 1 rupees, which will be added up to the bill. And finally, I have entered the F string for the bill to be printed out. So I will just enter the final thing. So I will just enter yes again. So it says that final bill is 18 rupees. So let's run this code again and try with the large pizza. And I will enter pepperonis as yes and extra cheese as no. So as you could see here, the bill is 28 rupees. So this is how to order a pizza in Python. So it is not a clickbait, it is just a Python code. So I thought I can share this code. So the code will be in my website. So the website is in the description box below. So I hope this video helped you a lot. So make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video, guys.